This video will not waste your time. I might not have many subscribers, but this will be quality information. You have probably seen videos like this on YouTube. Sadly, these videos aren't monetizable on YouTube. But as far as I've seen, TikTok's new creativity program doesn't have any guideline based on this content. And that means you can enter a gold mine and get the views before it's too late. These videos are fairly easy to make. These videos are really high engaging, and that's why they go absolutely viral. Come to Leonardo AI or any other AI image generator. I don't know why, but Leonardo AI is not opening for me. I have tried almost 6 times and it's still not responding. But that's my issue. I'll use another AI tool, but Leonardo AI will probably work for you. So you can use Leonardo AI and go to the image generation and paste this prompt. I'll leave it in the description. Since Leonardo AI is not opening for me, I'll use CapCut's new text-to-image AI. Just open CapCut and find this and click on it, and there you have it. Just paste this prompt and generate it. Get one you like and change the prompt a little bit and generate again. See, it's different. To be honest, I like this bit more. For more styles, just repeat this process like I did. If you're happy, get 4, not more images. And now come to Pexels. It's a free, copyright-free video download page. I would say get an ocean-related web kind of video and download it. This is gonna be our intro. Now we'll use CapCut for the editing. Open CapCut and import video and the images we generated with the AI. Now adjust the video length to 6 seconds, image length to 4 seconds each. People will want to see the places, that's why the engagement will be high. Add a text here explaining the situation. I'll use where are you napping the hardest? It's a common question. You can create more questions with ChatGPT like this. Ask it to give 10 where are you napping the hardest related questions and say don't repeat any previous ones. Now come to CapCut and add this zoom effect to every image and video and add the transition black fade. Now come to music and search for relaxing music. Add one you like. CapCut's these musics are copyright free. If you did everything correctly, you'll have something like this. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, ask it in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.